Hey, good morning everyone. So we are here in Quebec and we will be staying in this beautiful property for next few days, and I'm very excited to show you what all this property holds, what all are the features. As you can see, this is designed in a very minimalistic way. There is a lot of things that I want to show you about this property, how a futuristic and minimalistic themed property also can make you feel comfortable and cozy. And I will show you the material palette that they have used. I will show you what all the features this property has. I will show you all the bedrooms. I will show you all the living room area. And I'm telling you guys, this is very beautiful. So without any delays, let's get started with the video, guys. This is a 1500 square foot property with one master bedroom and two guest bedroom, and you will also have 3 washrooms also. And as you can see, they have used a lot of matte colors over here. The floor over here is just bare concrete covered with epoxy coating on top that gives it a good glossy finish. And if you go and see the furnitures and the carpet over here, they have a vibrant hue of wooden texture. Like the carpet, it's made up of jute, which again resembles a very earthy material and actually gives a vibe of a very cozy place. You can see the TV unit and the fireplace are all integrated together into just one wall. They have minimized the number of offset that are there on the walls. The TV itself is also matte in finish, where you can barely tell that the TV is a TV or a painting. That's the USP, I think so, of this particular wall. The sofa and the other furnitures are made up of leather, so the texture and the finish goes really well and gives a very amazing contrast to this entire space. Now let's explore the stunning matte black themed kitchen right behind me. The countertop boasts a sleek matte black engineered wood surface, continuing seamlessly into the matching backsplash. The countertop features ceramic induction, seamlessly integrated into counter for a modern and streamlined look. The cabinet showcase a sophisticated touch with matte black laminate panel and black aluminium alloy concealed furniture handles, complemented with soft closing hinges for added convenience. Over at the island counter, a matte black sink adds a touch of elegance, while above it, a sleek linear pendant light completes the contemporary design. This kitchen is a perfect blend of style and functionality, combining modern aesthetics with practical features for a truly immersive culinary space. So the master bedroom is well placed and well connected with the outside. As you can see that they have given full-sized opening to the outside atmosphere. One more amazing part about this structure is no matter which area you are in, you are always connected to the outside. If you see on my left, I am already connected in the outside environment. My front, I have a big glass opening. And on my right, I have again a glass opening. Simple elements like this, like having a full glass glazing in your passages, can elevate your entire passage area like nothing else. Like you never feel like you are disconnected from any corner of this house. That's the beauty that they have put into the designing of this place. If you walk into the corridors, there is no dark spaces that they have created. Even though the theme of this entire structure is black, they have integrated it in such a way that entire space feels very well lit, warm and comfortable. Now going to the upstairs bedroom, you can see that the head wall is again made up of wood. Again, this texture is a very warm texture. They have kept the bedroom very minimalistic. I was thinking the wall behind the bed would be used for some storage spaces, but it isn't, which is already okay because this is an Airbnb and not a place where people will be staying for a very long term. But overall, the storage spaces in this entire space is pretty well. I think so a family of 4 or 5 can easily live in this space. Outside, if you'll see, you will have a sauna that is amazing, and you even have a hot tub on my left side, and they even have an external terrace which is connected through a spiral staircase. This is the outer staircase that leads to the upper level. Today the weather is good, so we are going upstairs. And this is how it looks, the spiral. This is the upper deck, currently totally frozen. They have used glass railings over here, which looks pretty cool. And this is the entrance pathway, again covered with snow totally. That's the sauna. Beautiful. I'm here to show you the washroom that is over here, and which is massive and very nicely made washroom. So this is the washroom that I was talking about, guys. Isn't it amazing? The big glass opening that I have over here looks directly to the mountain ranges that is in front of me. And I must tell you, it is amazing to have a bath, a relaxing warm shower over here, which makes you feel like you are connected with the nature. You can see the snow and -degree temperature outside, and you are warm inside. You are having a bath and a good shower. So this is one of the USP where you can see how material palettes are blending. They have given grey tiles over here, which again looks very elegant. The shower panel and the shower head and everything is matte black again. They have used materials, they have used objects that go with their theme all across the house. So while designing something, you should always be aware of what things are you using. Are you breaking your design philosophy? Are you breaking your material philosophy or not? So this is also a very important thing to note into a design. This entire living room faces towards the southeast direction, which makes sense because we are at a colder region and we are at a place where the temperature can dip below -20°C. So having these kind of spaces facing east or south direction gives you ample amount of heat, gives you ample amount of light. As you can see, the light is falling onto my face and I have a beautiful view outside over here. So I'm probably sipping my coffee. I'll just come out here, have a small walk, sit here, talk to my friends, talk to my family. So this kind of spaces and this kind of design ideology is needed in a lot of spaces and a lot of work that we do. The envelope of this building is covered by dark wood, and this wood is enclosing the entire structure. And from the outside, as you can see right now, this is the only structure that stands out in this white background, which is again a very amazing thing to see. My purpose of visiting these kind of places is to show you how you can understand the material palettes, how simple understanding of material palette, color palette, and how arranging, organizing your entire structure and your entire design with a flow of connectivity to the outwards environment can change the design and make it a phenomenal experience for the users of their design. And guys, I have always been a firm believer of experience design. So first you go to places, you experience these places, you experience what goes into the design, and you experience how materials can be combined with each other, and then you design. This opens up your mind, this opens up more opportunity for you to do multiple designs. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this entire space. And if you enjoyed the video, please go ahead, hit a like and subscribe to my channel. Your support means everything to me, and it will help me to make more of these videos, more of these architectural showcases for you. So go ahead, hit a like and subscribe to my channel. All the details of this property is mentioned in my description, so go ahead, check this property out. And if you want to book this property, you can use my code as ArchiVlogs10 and you will get a 10% discount as well. And guys, take care of yourself. I'll see you soon.